how to buy Kanto versus Kansai token. So this token came under the symbol of KVK. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use goes below, find your account and join the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 20 hours ago and increased by 800% in less than 4 hours. And this token trends in number 5 in the Solana section. Now, I will show you how to buy this token. Now, click here to copy the token address and open your phone to wallet for that, as you can see. Now, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now, click here and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it and click I understand. Now, after that, here you can type how much you want to buy. And this is how much you will be able to receive that token, as you can see. Now, to select a provider, click on pricing. Now click on provider and now select Jupiter, for example. Click on apply. Now go back and click here on swap and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy KVK token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.